Welcome back to those who are not new to the channel. I appreciate you for rocking with me. If you are new to the channel, on this channel, we talk about all things Carolinas, what it's like to work, eat, live, and play in North and South Carolina. And I bring you information about cities and areas in the Carolinas, as well as house tours. And I get calls, texts, emails, DMs, all throughout the day and all hours of the night. Do not hesitate to reach out if you're interested in buying, selling, or investing in the Carolinas. Myself or a team member will gladly help you and assist you in doing those things. What's going on, family? I want to take you on a tour of a 6-bedroom home in Indian Land, South Carolina. Now, if you're not familiar with Indian Land, South Carolina, it is a suburb of Charlotte, North Carolina, and it's just past Ballantyne. Now, Ballantyne has a history of being the affluent part of Charlotte, North Carolina. Well, if you stay on the road that has all the attractions for Ballantyne, you're gonna come to an intersection and run right into Indian Land, South Carolina. Indian Land, South Carolina has the benefits of Ballantyne, but the low property taxes that South Carolina offers, and there's tons of development nearby. So if you're looking for a place that is already established but will be growing in the next handful of years, Indian Land, South Carolina and Lancaster County, South Carolina is where it's at. Let's talk about this home. This is a 6-bedroom Wingate Floor plan by Pulte Homes, located in the Bretagne community. Now, there's only a handful of homes left. There's this one, 2 others, and then there's some basement ones. Let's go inside and take a look. Pricing right now is just under $700,000. Come with me, let's go take a look at this 3,400 square foot home. Now, when you come in, you do have a dedicated dining room. And I love the multiple spaces you have down here to do what you wish, as far as an office, playroom, guest room. This is the first downstairs bedroom. Now let's go into the living room and let's look at the sunroom and the kitchen. Again, this is the Wingate floor plan. 6-bedroom, 3 full baths, $696,000. It's ready now. It's move-in ready. Give us a call. The number is on the screen. Let us represent you, be your advocate to ensure that this process goes as smoothly as possible. The sales rep, Kim at Bretagne for Pulte, is wonderful. However, you need somebody representing you and your interest. This is the dedicated workspace that Pulte puts in their reserve collections. So you can use that as a little office or homework area as well. And this is your 2nd bedroom downstairs, which is tucked away. You can use this as a home office, a home gym, or a guest bedroom. Now let's take a closer look at the kitchen. Now this home has the sunroom, and it also has an extended patio. I didn't go outside. This is the butler pantry right here. Coat closet, and then you have storage underneath the stairwell. Let's take one more look at the downstairs entertainment area before we head upstairs. The loft area, when you get to the top of the stairs. This is the common bathroom for the guest suites. Now, a lot of people buy new construction without a real estate agent, and I just don't believe that's the wisest thing to do, because you need people to hold the builder accountable. That is the main function for agents in a new home construction. Chances are you've only built 1 or 2 homes or none in your lifetime. You need to partner up with somebody that has experience dealing with new home construction on the daily basis and does so for all of their clients. You want to know what to look out for. You, as somebody that may have never done it or done it only a couple times, don't know exactly what tricks builders have up their sleeve, how they cut corners, and you want to be able to hold not just the agent, but the building manager in charge of your construction accountable for the construction of the home. We're in the owner suite now. You have 2 closets here. That's the first one. We saw the tray ceilings. Now let's go into this large bathroom where you have a separate beautiful tub and this walk-in shower with the rainfall shower head and beautiful, gorgeous, large tile. Now we're about to go into the second closet. But give us a call today. This home is available right now, and they have a few more in the community. And be sure to like this video, subscribe to the page, because I'll be bringing you more house tours, but also breakdowns regarding different communities in and around North and South Carolina. I'm Sir Ashley. We look forward to hearing from you and helping you and being your advisor throughout the home buying and selling process. Talk soon.